What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the KJ and Family channel. And today we're back with another video. Me and my son gonna be cleaning up these closets. Let's show you guys. So, be giving it to you guys raw. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe to our family channel. Give us a like and a comment. And remember to click that bell so you can stay post notified when we post more videos like this one. Let's get straight into this video, cleaning up. My glove, just in case if I get something pops out at me. I'm gonna find me a weapon or something just in case. This should do it. Just trying to help us. Trash. More trash. Put that to the side. Back up. Yeah. You don't want to play with it. No. Back up. Okay. Next we have a candle. Put that. A pencil. We have a pencil. Lysol. A repair kit for the glasses. I'm going to keep these, put them to the side. Ooh, look what I found. Should I do a frame on him? Saying his grill won't broke. What it didn't. Yeah. We have wood cleaner. The floor. Okay. We did have potty trained pants. But I guess more trash. well, it's time to clean up this mess. Anthem, Destiny, and Grand Theft Auto 5. What games he has? That's cool, right? Let's put these here. Have some Uggs, baby girl Uggs, size 4 or 5. See? He's not a girl, he's a boy, so he can't fit these. Also, you were a size 8 anyway, so it might be given away. Any bathroom cleaners all the way up top, because he has toddlers. We don't need to get in trouble. So far, so good. Just gotta sweep. Floor got cleaned up. Much more space. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I want to give a big thanks for watching and cleaning up with me as I deep clean my closet. Everything is much better now, organized. I want to thanks to my son for being here with me, cleaning up. Just there was some little books on the floor. Good clean. See a little bit of trash. Some 2 bags over there. Inside. Until next time.